Welcome to the Center of Cooking Equipment Excellence here at the Blodgett Oven Company. Hi, I'm Chef Tim Clorter, and today I'm going to be launching with you the BCX Combi Oven Steamer. Now, Blodgett's been in manufacturing since 1848. That's 159 years of manufacturing. Our world-class manufacturings are really the cornerstone of our success is the people that work here. Our craftsmen are highly skilled and educated and really have been the fabric of all our success. We have generations of families that have worked here over the years, and they have a tremendous amount of passion and pride in our products. They are certainly committed to excellence here. Our high quality, long-lasting, easy-to-use equipment has been truly the recipe for our happy, profitable customers. And built like a Blodgett means a lot, and the BCX is going to follow that blueprint of success. Now, in 1985, that's 20 years ago, Blodgett introduced the first combi oven steamers to the North American market. I'm really proud to say that I was a part of that product launch and have really been a pioneer and a missionary of combi oven steamers. But combis are here to stay now for sure, and we're going to take all that experience and put it into the new BCX, and we're going to share that with you. But before we get into that, why combi? Why would you want to have a combi? Well, the reality of it is that combis are a multi-purpose, high-performance, space-saving cooking appliance. The quality of the food that comes out, I just haven't seen anything that surpasses it. No kitchen should be without at least 2 or 3. Now there's tremendous savings with combi ovens as well. There's 60% savings in energy, there's 40% savings in water, 40% savings in labor, a 50% increase in yields for the quality and the meats that you roast, 90% less fat. It's a good thing. Let me give you an example that would be something that will really show you some savings. A convection steamer uses approximately 60 gallons of water per hour, whether it's generating income or not. You only have to turn a combi on when it's generating income because it heats up so fast. The new BCX Combi uses less than 7 gallons of water per hour. High performance, great results, beautiful quality food, less energy, very environmentally friendly as well, I must say. Now, these combis, other areas, if you take our, the 14, the BCX 14, we can fit 350 portions of food. That's 14 hotel pans, 350 portions of food in about 10 minutes. There's where you can get efficiency in labor. Yield, when you roast, when you see the roasts that come out of here and you get a chance to taste them, really, I highly recommend that you get to a demo and see it and taste it. It's really something special. Now, these combis really, they're almost like an ATM. They do nothing but generate more profit for you on a regular basis. They're easy to use, easy to clean. Combis are here to stay, and I really think you should consider one. Now, the next step is we should say, why Blodgett? There's, oh my God, there's almost 80 brands of combis on the market today, only after 20 years of introducing them. It's a lot. You have a lot of good choices out there. But why Blodgett? Blodgett has millions of units of combis and ovens in the field worldwide. We're available in 80 countries, and we have a worldwide network of service and support. Now, many of the people that sell and support our equipment, they've been with us for years. There's many families. We have generations of families that have continued to sell our product year after year. We've got customers, multi-unit customers that have been doing business with us, some of them more than 30 years. We're a very trusted company, and they trust us with their business and work together with us to grow. That's a lot of experience. And Blodgett really has a lot to offer. We're here to work with you, we're here to make you more profit, and we're continually looking to push ourselves to continuously improve so that you can meet the needs of your business, which is growing and being profitable and having a highly reliable piece of equipment that's built like a Blodgett. So the next thing that I want to do is take you a little bit closer inside to the BCX and show you the control panel, the inside, do a little overview, and then we're going to get into truly cooking in every single part of the combi, from steaming, hot air, the combination of both, cooking in sequence, low temperature cooking. We're going to take you into the combi and show you all the different things that you can do that you'll really be shocked and surprised that one piece of equipment can do so much. So come on a little bit closer and we're going to take a look at the control panel. We have the mode selector switch here. It's currently on off. If you turn the dial to Combi, of course, you have the Combi mode, which is a combination of moist heat and dry heat together. And then the next one is the steam mode. Now in the steam mode, we have variable moisture, if you will. Steam is at 212 degrees, but we can lower that temperature down to 150 degrees and cook below steaming, as well as turn the temperature up and go as high as 250 degrees and do forced steaming. So it's really like 3 types of steamer in one. And then of course we can turn the selector switch to the hot air mode, which is dry heat, again from a temperature range of 150 to 500 degrees, and then of course your cool down mode. So that's the 3 functions that you have, really 4 functions, I'm sorry, that you have on the BCX 14. Now we're going to talk about the temperature control dial. We've made some changes there that were at the request of our customer. The central dial goes from 150 degrees all the way to 500 degrees, and if you can see right on the dial we have little notations where the best temperature for poaching, steaming, rethermalizing, and of course the frying of French fries and tater tots and grilled cheeses and those other items that we'll be doing frying. And then of course you saw the indicator light come on. Once the indicator light comes on, it's calling for temperature. When it goes off, it's satisfied at that temperature. Okay, as we move down, I turn the unit on, it automatically counts down. And this is the timer and the core probe. All right, we have an up arrow and down arrow, so we can actually set time, up or down. We hit start, it'll automatically start counting down, and we can toggle between the timer and the core probe. And I'll do a better explanation, and we'll actually use some of the cooking of the core probe a little bit later in the demo. Okay, now as we move down, you can see steam on demand. We can have between 1 and 8 minutes of steam accelerated in the cavity when you're in the Combi mode and or the hot air mode, almost like steam injection, but you hit it and it'll activate it and you can accelerate the steam generator. I'll be showing you a lot of menu items. It's very much appreciated by our customers. They like this specific feature. Now right below there, we'll start over here with lights. We have 4 halogen lights that allow you to see the food as it's cooking. I'll be demonstrating to it, so now with the lights also plays an important part of the vent, releasing humidity to intensify the browning, gratinating. We now have that enhancement with this Combi, and we've added 4 fan speeds: gentle, low, high, and turbo. These fan speeds also allow us to take the quality of the food to the next level. In addition, the fan will automatically reverse directions every 3 minutes, producing an even bake. Okay, now as we get down to the bottom of the control panel, you can see the delime light. When that light comes on, it tells you it's time to delime your steam generator. And of course, we have the built-in automatic deliming system, so it makes it extremely simple. A little later on, I'll take you through that process. It's as simple as pushing a button. We have the probe inlet here where we have our detachable core temperature probe, another great innovative part of our Combi, and a fill light right here. As I move down here, this is another really good feature that we have that's been brought to us from our service techs. By putting the circuit breaker and the gas shutoff right here in the front of the unit, it saves a tremendous amount of time to the customer. The service can come in and do the regular scheduled maintenance and shut the units off right from the front. Now I want to show you the 2-stage door latch. If you turn it to the left, it releases all the steam and protects the operators. When you turn it to the right, you can open the door all the way. All right, now we're going to open the door, and you can see the drip trough right here, right on the window. Really a great feature. It captures all the water that may drip off the window, minimizes the water on the floor, as well as if I hit this little latch here, okay, this opens up the dual pane window, which is hinged, and you can clean between it. It also won't get greased up and allows you to see exactly what's going on inside the cooking cavity so that you can adjust humidity, adjust fan speed. It's really a great feature, and it also is a safety feature in keeping the front door much cooler as well. We've now added the retractable hand shower that's built right into the door, right behind the door, and really nice spray capabilities, and when you're done with it, you just pull it and it slides right back in and tucks right out of the way.